And also, Physicians Formula, they they're doing a Breakfast Club collection, and they said that Walgreens has um, the one of the palettes, the face palettes, and the three lipsticks. And I remember what happened when I was trying to find the get the bread and butter collection, and I went to Timbuktu. I went to, I don't know, 20 Walgreens, and the very last one in Timbuktu had it, and they didn't even have the whole collection. I said, I'm not doing that. Plus, it was cheaper if they do it in a box set, and like I said, like 3 times I bought it individually, and they wound up selling it in a box set later on cheaper. So I'm like, you know what, I'm not going to go crazy. But someone said they saw it at Target, and I'm like, but they're not advertising that. Just like for the Stitch collection, they didn't advertise that Amazon had it, which, you know. Anyway, so they didn't say anything about Target, so I was gonna place a Target order for it. I'm just waiting for my PayPal to turn over, so that I don't like owing too much in 1 month. So I was gonna place an order, and then I saw it advertised. Some bloggers had advertised that, and I think they did a little commercial on Instagram that there's an eyeshadow collection. There's two face palettes, one for lighter skin tone, one for darker skin tones. One is a little bit more cool tone. The other one's more warm toned. They did three lipsticks, all nude shades. It's like a pink nude, a nude nude, and like a mauve color. Um, they they did a mascara, which I don't think I'm gonna get the mascara. So I was like, I mean, after looking at everything, it's expensive too. The face palette is like $20. So I was like, you know what? If I was thinking about just going to my local Walgreens, seeing that had it, because I really just wanted one face palette and the mauve lipstick, the cooler toned one. And they did a commercial, and there's an eyeshadow palette too, but Target doesn't have that. I was like, what's going on? And so I started inputting this information to see if maybe someone else had it, and basically, the bloggers showed the eyeshadow palette. It looks exactly like their regular butter palettes, eyeshadow palettes. Six, I think, what is it, 12 colors? But this one says the Breakfast Club. So this is the Breakfast Club collection, and it showed a PR box. Now, Physicians Formula again they didn't advertise that Target had it. They just said Walgreens has a partial collection, and the rest is coming soon to Physicians Formula. But it's been like 2 weeks, and so I'm like, you know what, I'm holding off on this because they might have a PR collection, and it's gonna be cheaper to do it that way. But oh my god, those of us who got our Stitch collection from when Amazon first came, put it up for pre-sale, if we got it from Ulta or anywhere else, we're the lucky ones, because Wet n Wild, I think Rite Aid haven't gotten it in yet. There's been delays in the shipment, and they haven't gotten it in. So they don't even have it available to purchase yet. It was supposed to be available the end of June, and then they said the beginning of July, and now they're saying that it'll be available mid-July. So I'm wondering if that's the same reason why Physicians Formula hasn't put it out their Breakfast Club collection, because they're having trouble getting the shipment in. But anyway, yeah, so it's the lips are nudie, two face palettes, and one it says it's neutral. From what I could see in the picture, the eyeshadow palette are very like browns, neutral tones, warm tones. But anyway, I'm gonna wait till I can get a hold of the eyeshadow. And everybody's saying that the light palette, the highlighter is gorgeous. It has a pink, it's white with a pink iridescence to it. So yeah, I'm waiting to get my hands on eyeshadow. If they have a box set, I'll probably do that. It'll probably come with everything. I don't know. But for $20 a palette, I would prefer just to get one palette. And it's like $9 for the lipstick. They all say the Breakfast Club on it. They're named after, you know, things from the movie. Like the lipsticks are called the Princess Collection, which is Molly Ringwald in the movie. So, you know, everything's it's Breakfast Club themed. So, you know, just want to let you know that I'm gonna hold off until I can get my hands on the eyeshadow. Again, I'll wait till the Physicians Formula puts it up, because there was a PR box. I don't know if that's only for, you know, the PR girls, or you know, I don't know if they're gonna put it up for sale for us as well. I just know that I saw it, so I'm gonna hold off and see, you know, and weigh, should I, you know, how much would it cost if I just wanted the 3 things, or is it worth it to get the box set? So anyway, just wanted to tell you that. So okay, next week I'm gonna do one more. If it comes with, I usually do looks according to the glosses and or the lip colors, and when it's one eyeshadow palette. So I think that I'm just gonna do neutral colors next week. I know there's white. This has a pink duochrome too. It's not gonna match with warm tones, but I'm gonna try and do like neutral tones. I'm still not 100% sure what I want to do, what colors I want to use, but this color right here is just calling my name. So let's see what happens with that. So okay, so I will see you next week. Take care. Love you. Mwah. Bye.